Yeah, not living enough. This blunt, I'm taking a puff. I'm stuck, don't feel like it's us. No trust, so do as you must. For real.
stick it in the shower. get into this beauty supply haul. Got a couple things. Oh, more than a couple. My damn total was $50. But anyway, let's see what we got. Hold it up. Okay, look. So I have this knockoff. I think that one is Chanel. Yeah. Okay, y'all. Can you go to jail for wearing fake Chanel? But anyways, and I don't know what that fabric is. Maybe knockoff Versace. I don't know, Chad. But I was like, you know what? It's cute. It's black, it's gray, and it's gold. That's the colors I needed. And then, you know, that's the Chanel scarf. So, I have no idea how to wear those. I've never worn like an actual head scarf. So this will be interesting. Next up are the gold rose hair clips. I thought they were so cute and I just had to snag them. They were only like $1.99 if I'm not mistaken. Okay, let's get into these earrings, y'all. I have all sorts. Those are cute. Those are the ones I chose to wear that night. I ended up taking the cross earrings off. And then I have hard ones. I got a gold set and a silver set. See? There go the silver. I thought that was cute. Now I got me some hoops, Chad. Because I don't know where all my hoop earrings ran and disappeared to. But yeah. I was like, ooh, a big old pack. Let me get this. For $1.99. See, I ended up taking the crosses off because I felt these circular ones went a little better with the aesthetic I was going for. Also, I am aware, okay, that my jacket is falling apart, but it's my favorite jacket and I'm going to continue to wear it with everything. Mind your business. Whoopsie. Let's unbox this together, shall we? 3, 2, 1. actually looking crazy, but I've actually used it this week, and Forever Sunshine is actually perfect. It has a really nice label, of course, but it also goes beautifully with my body chemistry, and so I'm giving it a 10 out of 10. Promiscuous star, that word is not promiscuous. Prismatic stars. Prismatic stars is strong as fuck. It smells really good, and I get a lot of compliments on it, but it triggers my migraines, and they last all day. So I'm giving it a solid 8 out of 10, only because it triggers my migraines. I popped that open like some champagne, didn't it? But anyways, so Sapphire Moon, it kind of smells good, but it's faint. It's like a great conversation being dropped in an Atlanta tunnel. Like, I don't know. But it kind of smells like my Grandma Mary too. So bonus points for that. So I'm giving it a solid 6 out of 10. But it's kind of hit or miss. As you can see, I'm currently looking for the scent. Okay, that's my experience with this whole fragrance. Like, it has a light citrusy smell, but it doesn't last long at all. It's light and airy, but it just doesn't last long enough for me. I'm giving it a 3 out of 10 for the smell, but because of the beautiful label and design, I'm giving the label itself a 10 out of 10. So doing this one a little different. But anyways, Golden Eclipse is light and airy like a soft buttery biscuit, but it definitely packs a punch. But it's fucking perfect. Like, solid 10 out of 10, bro. Like, 10 out of 10. It's my favorite for sure. Like, oh my god. Wild Sand, fucking awful. The coconut is way too strong for my taste, but something positive though, it does have awesome moisture for my hands, and they definitely make them glisten. So 4 out of 10, but I'm only giving it a 4 because it moistens my hands, and the bottle is so fucking pretty, bro. That's the only reason why I got a 4. Other than that, absolutely not. I hate it.